Welcome back to my channel. So if you already see me in a wig cap, then you know today is another wig review. Now another brand actually reached out to me, and so I'm going to share the wig. I'm getting straight into it. I don't want to talk a lot because let's get into it. So came into this packaging. I am loving, like, I don't know what I'm noticing, but I noticed a lot of wigs so far that I've purchased so far on Amazon, because in the past I normally get a box, but I really do like that these are coming in these baggies because it keeps it nice and compact. So I'll start off with that. But yeah, this is the Beauart 100% Remy human hair wig. So this is supposed to be human hair, and I'm going to tell you right now, this is not affordable as the ones that I've been sharing before, because it is a human hair. If you know, if you ever purchased any human hair wig before, generally it's a little more pricier just because it's human hair wig. But that's what they said. It's human hair, 100% premium human hair, USA European wig collections. And this is a 10-inch. So this one is definitely shorter than the ones that I've been showing you guys prior. Before I've been showing you 20 inches plus. This is definitely a shorter wig, a shorter curly wig. And what I like here is they give you hair care instructions, which is always good for a person who's not too sure about hair care and what should they do when it comes to washing and shampooing and things of that nature. And they also tell you, like, you can use irons and stuff, but I don't play with the irons. But anyway, so yes, it comes in this packaging, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys the hair. So unlike the headband wigs and stuff like that, it doesn't come with any accessories because it's not a headband wig. So it's just the wig in here. As you guys can see, just the wig that comes in here, and that's it. This brand doesn't give you a wig cap, which is fine, but just to note, if anybody's looking for a wig cap. Now, unlike the other ones where it's really easy to just take off and you go about your business, this one is not, because you have your standard lace front. Now, it depends on how lazy you are, if you want to pluck and stuff. I might not do all that off on this camera, I'm telling you guys right now, because you know I'm pretty much a person who is still pretty new, but has learned a thing or two about when it comes to wigs. So it did come with the covering as always. As you guys can see, it came with this paper as always, and then this is the wig. So again, it's 10 inches, so it's really short, shorter than I'm used to. I think I have a short wig, a bob wig, but I don't think it's 10 inches, or maybe it is, but it just looks so short to me. As you guys can see, it's a nice curl pattern. It's just curly textured hair. Just upon touching it, it's nice and soft. It has a mixture of like brown. I gotta check the color if it's 1B or 1. I'll leave it down below, but I definitely see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I see hints of brown and black, so it's definitely like one of those mixtured colors. So I would say it's another color, not even one. It's probably like one and a mixture of a different color. But I see black, but I also see strands of brown in it. But it's a nice curly wig. Definitely, I feel like once you spruce it up, maybe put mousse or whatever you want on it, you can definitely get a different texture. But you guys already know this if you don't know me by now. I don't like to do these stuff on camera because I feel like I'll cut something wrong or whatever the case may be. So I'm actually going to go ahead, put this on, and I'm going to go ahead, cut off the lace, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you guys how it looks just like that without anything on. And yeah, so I'll be back in a second. But before I do that, actually, let me tell you the other features. So it does come with 2 combs on the top. So not the standard 3, but 2 on the top, and it has 1 on the bottom. So that's that. And then of course, as always, I keep on forgetting to say this, but it has adjustable straps that is always there to fit your head if needed. So we got to cut that part off. Wait a second. Giving me type of Shirley Temple kind of curl vibes, and I'm not with it. It's too perfect. Generally when I have curls like this and it's too perfect, I like to minimize, not minimize it, manipulate it a little bit. I do have water. I'm using my water, and I'm also foam mousse. Let me go get, but you guys know, if you don't know by now, I wear glasses. I need my glasses. I took them off. So I'm going to go ahead and get my mirrors just so I can see what I'm doing. But this thing, the price, I forgot to say that, the price of this wig, again, because it's human hair, it was $78.99 on Amazon. So keep that in mind. But if you're a human hair wearer, sometimes you want to, generally people like human hair because it lasts a little longer, then this is probably wig for you. I will give them that the hair is definitely soft. It's really soft to touch. So that's definitely a plus. But yeah, I want to go ahead and comb it out and see like what we're working with. So guys can see from just combing it out, it does give that puffy look, but I feel like I could definitely rock this puffy look too. I don't mind it, but I just don't like that perfect curl. This stuff smells so good, by the way, you guys. I've originally used this on my natural hair, but it smells so good. I feel like it's just overall good. So there's shedding, but it's not horrible, as you guys can see. I guess just from me applying, this is like the hair as I'm applying the mousse on it. Go ahead and get my mirror because I can't see nothing, as you guys know. Okay, definitely like the curve pattern better with the mousse. For some reason this side is more frizzier, maybe because I combed it out too much, but I guess if I apply more mousse and like probably lay it down, it probably will have a better like effect. But you can definitely see this side has more of a not short, it's more flattened, whereas this side is kind of like frizzy. Let's talk about my final thoughts on this wig. So once again, if I didn't mention this, I don't remember, but this wig did cost $78.99. Now, do I think that's crazy? No, because a lot of the human wigs, I purchased a human wig for like $100. So it's a standard for human hair wigs to be that price. So I don't necessarily think that it's high enough if you're a person who wants better quality hair. Also, that's going to last long, because generally human hair wigs last longer than your average synthetic wigs. I can say that for a fact. I do like about this wig, being that it's short, it's pretty comfortable to wear, especially now. Like if you want to wear it in the summer, like all the other wigs that I've been showing you guys, I know people have been wearing it in the summer, but I gotta be in like a AC filled place, I feel like, for the majority of the day, because I'm gonna be hot in that wig. I'm gonna be honest. With wigs, it definitely makes your head hot. You might not feel it on the outside, but you definitely feel it in your head. This one is pretty lightweight, so it definitely feels a little bit better, and I think I could pass over wearing this outside now in the summer because it's pretty short, lightweight. It barely like it's touching my shoulder just a little bit, so I wouldn't feel as hot as opposed to wearing like my headband wigs or just my longer wigs in general that's 20 inches up. So that's that with on the length. So the length is perfect, I feel like, for a person, one, if you don't like too much hair, two, if you're like a newbie as well. The reason why I think a newbie, this is easy, because literally you just gotta cut off the lace. Of course, you do not walk around with the lace not cut. And then if you, like I said, it's up to you if you want to do the extra plucking. Personally, I don't really care. If I do get plucking, I probably ask somebody to do it for me, but it's not a major issue. The plucking is not too bad in terms of, I mean, the spacing, like I said, the parting is not too bad as other wigs that I've gotten where you really have to do a lot of plucking because it's really noticeable. So definitely highly recommend though that tip if you don't like that Shirley Temple looking curls, because I don't like that perfect curl. What I did, like I said, I used that mousse that I showed you guys, and I did get this side to match this side. It was this side, right? This side to match this side. But I noticed by doing sections, it's kind of like, it just reminds me pretty much of my natural hair, where you got to work your hair in sections. It's the same thing with this. But I like it that it's a nice curly unit, pretty short, to the point, perfect. It's even perfect for the winter too if you want to do short. So it kind of works any season, really, in my opinion. But that is my final thoughts. No problems here. Like I said, curl pattern is soft. Didn't have any issues with tangling with this unit, which is great because you know me and tangling. But then again, with human hair, it shouldn't be having that much tangling, I feel like, as opposed to the synthetic hair type of textures. Yeah, still have some tangles, but it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, overall, like I said, the overall texture of the hair is really soft. We'll give them that. I definitely feel the softness, feels really nice. And I like that it's really flowy but not too puffy. Depends on what you want, but now I just like how it looks. Gives me that kind of like wet girl kind of it gives me the wash and go look. That's what I was going for. That's what it gives me. I can't perfectly achieve it on my natural hair, but I can achieve it doing this. So it definitely gives me that like wash and go kind of curl vibe, which I like. But yeah, I think that's it. That's all for everything about this wig. I don't think there's any other information. Anything that I may have left out, I'll probably leave it as always down on the screen as I'm talking through editing this video. But that's it. So if you're ever wondering about this particular brand, here's my review on the brand. Overall, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty beginner friendly. Of course, again, like I say all the time, I'm not no like professional wig where I'm pretty lazy when it comes to wigs. Just want to put it on and go about my business. If I do just the bare minimum, and this definitely still allows me to do the bare minimum without doing too much. So yeah, that's why I like this wig as well. But anyway, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Let me know if you ever tried a curly unit like this, maybe a shorter wig, or you're thinking of potentially buying a human hair wig.